Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Useful News. Today we'll discuss about how to recover deleted Instagram photos part 3. Step 7. After you choose where to receive the OTP, where to receive the OTP, enter it in the field, enter it in the field and tap confirm and tap confirm. This will bring the photo back, bring the photo back to your profile, to your profile. You can restore pictures, reels, and more this way. On the other hand, if you need to talk something, if you need to talk if you need to take something down from your main profile, without completely deleting it, take advantage of the Instagram archive feature, Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.